Welcome back to Next Gen Mobility, your go-to destination for the latest in futuristic design and automotive innovation. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE, a luxury SUV that blends modern elegance with powerful performance. Let's start with the exterior, where Mercedes-Benz continues to impress with its evolutionary design language. The front fascia features a more refined grille with chrome accents that stretch seamlessly into the adaptive LED headlights. Sleek, sculpted lines along the hood give the GLE a muscular yet aerodynamic profile. The redesigned bumper incorporates larger air intakes, enhancing both performance and visual aggression. From the side, the GLE retains its balanced proportions, with strong shoulder lines and flared wheel arches housing 20 to 22-inch alloy wheels. Mercedes offers optional AMG styling packages, adding sportier accents like gloss black elements and a more assertive rear diffuser. The rear end sees updated LED tail lamps with a new light signature, a subtle roof spoiler, and dual exhaust tips that complete the SUV's bold stance. Finished in colors like selenite gray, obsidian black, and manufacturer alpine gray, the GLE's exterior is nothing short of head-turning. Now, let's open the door and step inside the cabin. The 2025 GLE interior is a sanctuary of luxury and technology. High-quality materials like Nappa leather, open-pore wood, and brushed aluminum trim create an atmosphere of refined sophistication. Ambient lighting in 64 customizable colors wraps around the cabin, setting the mood whether you're cruising at night or on a weekend getaway. Dominating the dashboard is the dual 12.3-inch screen setup, powered by the latest MBUX system, with natural voice commands, augmented reality navigation, and seamless smartphone integration. It's more intuitive than ever. The steering wheel now features capacitive touch controls and a more ergonomic grip for better command on the road. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom, optional heated and ventilated seats, and available entertainment screens for long drives. A panoramic sunroof floods the interior with natural light, enhancing the sense of space and freedom. Performance-wise, the 2025 GLE offers a range of options from a smooth turbocharged inline-4 to a powerful mild hybrid V6. Optional 4MATIC all-wheel drive ensures confident handling in all-weather conditions. The Airmatic air suspension adapts in real time, delivering both comfort and sportiness. With roots dating back to the groundbreaking M-Class of the late 1990s, the GLE has evolved into a tech-forward SUV that defines modern luxury. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement. That's it for today's deep dive on the 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode from Next Gen Mobility. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.